JoyGuru is, as I said, that at one point, I think it's 2016, Shima and I, we said that, now that we have brought the business to this level, it's kind of like an autopilot, things are going well, our staff are very able, even if we travel a lot, and we have good group of people, they manage the business nicely, I'm always in touch with them, so we thought, well, let's now do what we always wanted to do, to help people in the community and beyond the community. So we created this JoyGuru Humanitarian Services, through which we help people, those who are underprivileged and need the help. Always have thought that we need to bring a little balance. We cannot balance the world, but at least we can try to bring a little balance. We can be a source of hope, we can be a source of better life, source of dignity and pride in the people, those who think that we don't have it. So we have taken that position, and we think our Guru is no more, but we think that his blessings are still helping us to take us to that direction where we want to reach. And JoyGuru Humanitarian Services has done many humanitarian services, not only within our community but beyond our community. And Shima and I, along with our two sons, is more of a family foundation right now that we pour our money. We have done one fundraising event in 2018, and after that the pandemic came in and we really couldn't. But there are some friends who have always been supportive of our attempt to help people, and they have always gave some money, donated money, but mainly our two sons and ourselves, we pour our success, part of the profit of our business into the humanitarian services, and we're helping in as many ways we can. Recently in our city, Afghani refugees came in, and I got a call from the city mayor asking me if our foundation would help to settle them. And we donated $50,000 to that cause from the JoyGuru Foundation. We have board members, Ron Fraser, who is the vice president of Avitia Bank. He is one of our board members. Krista Piazza also works in the financial services and advisory, Worcester Advisory Services and she's a part of our board. My two sons, my wife and I, we are all a part of the board, and we make the decisions always talking to each other. And I'm very fortunate to have these, that we are always thinking the same line, how we can help people not only in Worcester